Supposed to be part 2 of the coop. Pretty much we I already did some painting. Messed up a little bit, but we're gonna do the trim. Hopefully finish that and then finish the painting, and I think we'll be good. Maybe another roost bar. We only have one inside there, so painting's a little dark, so we got black for the trim. And you know, knowing how smart I was and didn't really pay attention, I just grabbed the first can and started painting. And the trim color that we got was like a darker, almost charcoal color. So I was thinking maybe it'll dry a little lighter. No, I used the black trim paint and not the paint that we're supposed to use. So, well, this far, so I just went and got more black paint. So we're gonna finish that black, and then the trim's gonna be blue. I think like a little darker blue, but hopefully it turns out pretty good. I'm telling everybody I messed up. My wife she kind of liked the idea of the black. We'll see how it turns out. So if you watched the last video, we did finish building most of the chicken coop. What's left is pretty much doing the trim. Later in the video, I do add a couple of roost bars, but right now I'm gonna be working on the paint on this thing. Neither one of us really like painting, so I'm gonna work on that while he gets to do the trim. We ended up with a gap in between the roof and the nesting boxes. So my dad is using a piece of 1x4 we had left over. He's going to trim it down and fill in that gap so hopefully no water or any predators get inside there.
So it is the next day. We're gonna start by framing in this doorway. It's just a piece of plywood, so it's pretty flimsy. And knowing me and how often I break stuff, it'll probably be broken soon if we don't do this. So by doing this, it'll hopefully make it a lot stronger, but also make it look better.
Okay. Look like it, huh? Ooh. Doing some one hand isn't easy.
You don't want to cut them too hard.
Yeah. So we can show her happy.
That's the mystery.
Yep. I do like the orange in his wings though. What are you doing? Kind of funny, you can see the red light. The red light will probably be bright tonight in there.
Yeah.